Are you spinning your wheels trying to grow your small business without results? Today we'll uncover the hidden roadblock that's wrecking your progress and share 5 powerful strategies to put you back on track. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me tell you what we're all about. We're dedicated to giving you the best advice to help your small business grow. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of the business boosting content. Today, we've got a hot topic that's been wrecking small business growth for countless small businesses. But no worries, we're here to shed some light on it and provide you with an actionable strategy to turn things around. So what's this hidden menace, this silent growth killer that we're talking about? It's simple. It's a lack of meaningful outreach and advertising. Yes, you heard that right. Most small businesses are simply not reaching enough people on a regular basis. Think about it. How many new people do you think found out about your business today, this week, this month? If there's not new people finding out about your business, there's no chance they can ever turn into a customer. And for most businesses, there's just not enough meaningful amount of outreach and advertising to build awareness of your small business. So let's break it down. Say your business has fantastic products or services. You might even have the most enthusiastic and dedicated team behind you. However, if your potential customers don't know you exist, or if they forgot about you due to a lack of visibility, then unfortunately your business growth will be slow, or worse, non-existent. But fret not. For every problem, there's a solution. And for today, I'm going to share with you 5 robust strategies to build more awareness and conduct more outreach to attract more local business customers. Strategy number 1 is local SEO. This is all about making sure your business pops up on search engines when locals are looking for your services. Have your address, contact details, and opening hours updated on Google Business Profile. Regularly update your website with relevant keywords and local references, and trust me, Google will love you for it. Number 2, collaborations and networking. Partner up with non-competitive local businesses for promotions or events. Join local networking groups or chambers of commerce to spread the word about your business. Networking isn't just about meeting potential customers, it's about building relationships that can lead to referrals. Strategy number 3, enhance your social media presence. Leveraging platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn can work wonders for your visibility. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and don't shy away from using local hashtags. Number 4, community involvement. Sponsor local events or local sports teams, host workshops or webinars, engage with your community. Doesn't just increase your visibility, it builds up your reputation as a business that cares about its people. And finally, consistent branding and messaging. From your logo to your tagline, from your social media posts to your in-store decorations, make sure everything speaks the same language. This not only makes your business memorable, but it also fosters trust and credibility. Remember, the aim is not just to reach more people, but to reach them in a way that resonates. This consistency in messaging also helps in word-of-mouth advertising, which is still one of the most powerful tools in local business growth. All right, and that's it for today's video. Remember, a lack of outreach and advertising might be wrecking your small business growth, but it doesn't have to stay that way. With these 5 strategies we discussed, you're well equipped to build more awareness and conduct more outreach for your business. So go out there and make your business shine. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions, so don't hesitate to drop them in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable business growth content. Until next time, keep growing, keep hustling.